Good morning, everyone. Today I am at one of the most spectacular natural wonders of the world, the Niagara Falls. This has been on my bucket list for a long time, and I couldn't be more thrilled to share this experience with all of you. We will explore the falls from different perspectives, and yes, I'm even going on the Maid of the Mist boat ride. Let's get started. As soon as I arrived, I was greeted by the thunderous roar of the falls. It's breathtaking. So much raw power and the beauty in one place. Did you know that Niagara Falls is actually made up of three waterfalls? The American Falls, the Bridal Veil Falls, and the mighty Horseshoe Fall. Together they release over 750,000 gallons of water per second. Is it that mind-blowing? The energy here is contagious. Tourists from all over the world capturing memories and soaking in the misty air. Now it's time for the highlight of the trip, the Maid of the Mist boat ride. They handed me the pink poncho, which trust me guys, you'll need. Now let's go! As the boat moves closer to the falls, the anticipation builds. You can feel the mist on your face and the roar of the water becomes deafening. It's like stepping into a different world, a thrilling combination of adventure and serenity. Look at this! We are close to the Horseshoe Fall. The sheer force of the water is incredible. The mist surrounds you and it feels like you're in the heart of the falls. It's exhilarating and humbling at the same time. This is a moment I'll never forget. If you ever come to the Niagara Falls, this boat ride is absolutely must do. It's an experience that brings you up close and personal with nature's raw power. After the boat ride, I took some time to explore the area. The Niagara Falls State Park is stunning with lush greenery and walking trails. It's a perfect place to unwind and reflect after the adrenaline rush from the boat ride. This morning at Niagara Falls has been nothing short of magical. From the awe-inspiring views to the unforgettable boat ride, every moment has been a reminder of nature's incredible beauty and power. And if you are planning a trip, make sure to add this place to your itinerary. Trust me, it's worth it. Thank you for joining me on this adventure.